Welcome to this tutorial. What we're going to look at today is we're going to look at the idea of setting up our Traxsource charts and how we do that. Now it's pretty straightforward. What you do need to do is you do need to create a chart in your account, which is over here in my Traxsource. Come to my charts. I did this one earlier. Click and create new chart and make it appropriate, which is cool. We've already got a pre-existing one for a client here, which is sick. Okay, once we've done this, we need to select all our music. I've just chucked it in a little tab here, and we want to come to this section right here. Now, it's a little hidden away, but once you know where it is, it's pretty straightforward. You need to navigate to this section, so just click on the track itself, brings in this little preview. You push the P button.
Never for them. Listen to me. Your mind, your body, and your soul, Jack.
All right, and welcome to our final chart, I suppose. Now you can access it through this My Traxsource part, My Charts. Okay, in here you're going to see your chart as required, which is pretty handy. Now what we want to do is we want to be able to share this with our Traxsource artist profile. So we click the Embed button to get this URL here. Okay, this is going to point to the right direction. We're going to copy that. I'm going to come over here into our Traxsource backend. This is where all your artist stuff is, so label, music, releases, etc. Come up here into DJ charts, go here, click this button, go get chart, like so, and then we can do this if we need to. Cool. Once you've done this, we can submit chart. Okay, and we are away. All right, and here we go. Uploaded image, and it is ready to be shared to the world. So you can add that to your link tree, for example, or any of those sorts of things. Really easy promo tool that you can use for every release. So I recommend doing it to help get a little bit more traction and also help out some of your fans listen to some music that you might be vibing. Cool, that's about it, and I'll see you in the next video.